शुरू करें।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am the headmaster of Bana Emoji High School. Now I shall teach the learners of class 8. Dear learners, how are you? I hope that you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty. At first, I am going to thank Almighty that He has given us seven sound from the virus of COVID-19. Dear learners, you are the students of class 8. You know very well that there are five grammar items, basic grammar, there are five basic grammar items in your English words. There are five basic grammar items in your English course. These are article, capitalization and punctuation, sentence sentence, passive narration, capital, suffix and prefix. This is a book. Dear learners, look at the blackboard. This is a book. That is an apple. I know the man who came here. Dear learners, look at the blackboard. I have written three sentences on the blackboard. But in each sentence there is a special word in each sentence. This is a book here. A is a special word. N is a special word. D is a special word. Can you tell what are these words? Probably you know A and D. A and D are called article. Dear learners, you have probably understood what I shall teach you now. Today I am going to teach you about article. Article is an important part of your basic grammar course. Article, can you define article? Dear learners, I hope that you will be able to define article. A, N, and D. These three words or letters are called article. This is the definition of article. A, N, and D. These three words or letters are called article. Now you will have to know individually the description of these three letters or words. At first, I shall learn you the use of A. That is, where A is used. Now I shall go to explain about this. There are some rules of article A. At first rule is if there is a consonant sound, A is used before the particular word. If there is a consonant sound, A is used before the particular word. Now I shall give some examples by which you will be able to understand it easily. This is dashboard. Here book is a word and it is a noun. The first letter of the word book is B. Here B is termed as a consonant, so A will be used before book. This is a book. That is dash cat. That is a cat. We have dash dog. We have a dog. Here I shall not write more example about this rule. Now I shall go to next rule number. Number 2. Dear learners, you will study at home heavily so that you can know a lot about article. Dear learners, it is my request to you, if you study heavily at home, you will be able to cut a good figure in English. That is, you will have to face a public exam called JET. Number 2. Now I shall explain rule number 2. If there is you before a word, if there is you before a word and the you is pronounced and if there is you, if there is, I was wrong, if there is vowel, I was wrong, if there is vowel and the before a word and the vowel is pronounced and you, there sits a, for an example, I can write, this is the university. This is the university. Dear learners, try to understand and look at the blackboard. There is a word, university is a word, and the first letter of this word is vowel, U, and U is being pronounced as U, so A is used before university. We have dash U. We have a U. His dash European. He is a European. Look at the blackboard. I have written 3 examples on the blackboard. Try to understand. If you understand it, next, then I shall go to another rule. Now I shall go to the rule number 3, where A is used. Rule number 3. Dear learners, if there is O before, at the beginning If there is O at the beginning of a particular word and the O is pronounced at wa it used before that word. Dear learners, try to understand. I have written the rule number 3. If there is O at the beginning of a particular word and the way is pronounced as wa, it is used before that word. Now I shall write some more examples on the blackboard. Dear learners, try to understand what I shall write on the blackboard. Mr. Brown is dash one-eyed man. Mr. Brown is dash one-eyed man. Father gave me dash one taka note. I enjoyed dash one act play. Do you know the meaning of play? Play means theater or jatra or cinema. I have written 3 sentences on the whiteboard. Try to understand the rule number 3. The one. This is a word, and the first letter is O. Here O is being pronounced as wa. So I can write, or we can write A before 1. Mr. Brown is a one-eyed man. Father gave me a one taka note. I enjoyed a one-act play, etc. Dear learners, try to understand the rule number 3. Now I shall go to teach you another rule, that is rule number 4. I shall write rule number 4 on the blackboard. Try to understand the rule. Dear learners, if you study more at home, you will be able to cut a good figure in your public exam. Here is another rule. If the first letter of a abbreviation, I am wrong in writing. If the first letter of a abbreviation, if the first letter of a abbreviation is pronounced as a consonant, A will be used before that particular word. Dear learners, this is rule number 4. If the first letter of abbreviation is pronounced as a consonant, A will be used before that particular word. Now I shall go to offer you some examples about this role. Dear learners, look at the blackboard and try to understand the role well. He is dash BA. BA, Bachelor of Arts. Bachelor of Arts. BA is an abbreviation and the first letter B is being pronounced with consonant. So A is used before BA. He is a BA. My father is dash TNO. Do you know the meaning of TNO? I hope that you know well the meaning of TNO. TNO means Thana Nirvahi Officer. This is an abbreviation, and the first letter T is being pronounced as a consonant. So I can write my father is a TNO. She was dash DC. Do you know the meaning of DC? I know. I shall explain the meaning of DC. Deputy DC. I am wrong. DC, Deputy Commissioner. Tali she was a DC. She was a DC. He was dash BCom. Bachelor of Commerce. He was a BCom. I have written, for examples, on the blackboard about roll number 4. Now I shall go to the roll number 5. Now I shall go to the roll number 5. Dear learners, look at the blackboard and try to understand the rule. If there is a unit word, if there is a unit word, A is used before that word. Before that word. This is rule number 5. Now I shall offer you some examples about this rule. He gave me dash dozen of pens. He gave me dash dozen of pens. Dozens is a unit word, so A will be used before dozen. Now I shall write another example. Father gave me dash 100 taka. Father gave me dash 100 taka. 100 taka. Just now I wrote another example on the blackboard. Father gave me a 100 taka. Probably you know the meaning of this sentence. Now I shall go to the rule number of 6. About the use of A. Here are many rules of A. Dear learners, I shall give you only 6 rules about the use of A. If there is rule number 6, if there is few, little, bunch, follow, killer. If there is few, little, bunch, flock, killer. A before that particular word. Before that particular word. This is rule number 6. Now I shall offer you some examples. I hope that then you will be able to understand it well. I have dashed few books. I have dashed few books. I have dashed few books. Here A will be used before few. I have a few books. He gave me dash little sword. Little sword. Here A will be used before the word little. Little. I saw dash flock of sheep. I saw a flock of sheep. I have written 3 rules on the whiteboard about rule number 6. I taught you during this 30 minutes period, I taught you about the use of article A. The learners, you will study these 6 rules at your home, and my homework will be these 6 rules. Tomorrow I shall ask you these rules. I hope that you will study well at home and you will be able to answer to my question. Thank you all.